This is how I used to sift my compost before I decided I'd make it more efficient, be able to handle bigger loads. This is great if you just want a little bit. You put it in there, load it up, shake it, dump the stuff out, throw a couple more shovel loads in there, sift it, dump it out, the stuff you don't want, and eventually you have a wheelbarrow full. Well, that worked good. You don't need a whole lot, but every year I do about a cubic yard or more of compost that I generate from the compost piles. And you go and see the trommel I built for sifting compost. That's it, folks. This is the trommel I built for sifting compost, the compost piles. I go through over a yard and a half probably every year I make, and it's nice to have nice sifted compost without using sieves and a wheelbarrow. I built it from an old bandsaw. It's the bandsaw motor over here. Drives a great big 12 or 13 inch wheel, and it's got some pillow blocks, the shaft axle through there, turning about a 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch pulley, comes down to a bicycle rim that's mounted on a 55-gallon drum with 3 cutouts on it, 1/2 inch mesh put in there, let the sifted compost fall through. It's run on caster wheels, 4 of them. This end's got a little bit of block to keep the compost in. I put some fins, flippers, bars, whatever you want to call them, in there to hold the compost in a little bit longer while it's being turned around, sift a little bit nicer. And it runs off 110, and the total reduction gives you about 2 revolutions per, 1 revolution every 2 seconds or so is about right. The good stuff falls down to the center there with the boards keeping it from flying all over the place, and the crap comes out this chute here, the heavy stuff that you don't really want. It gets put back in a pile for next year or the year after, however long it takes. That's what I built. This is the third and final version of it. The wheels need a little bit of adjustment. That's all, so I can try and level it. And I just have to make one little bit to adjust the belt tension. And this is the final version. And this is what the final compost product looks like after being sifted. Really nice, fine stuff. Just a little bit of big enough so you can see it, small enough that it will rot down and incorporate fast into the ground.